guys, sharing with you my room setup. Itong room na to ay ginawa kong workout room, office room, and vanity room. So, separate siya from my bedroom. Maliit lang talaga tong room na to kaya I'm trying to maximize the space. And I'm also trying to maximize my time since I am working from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. With this setup, kaya ko nang pagsabayin ang working and walking. I am a content creator and a mom as well, so I don't really have much time. Kaya whether we like it or not, we need to multitask. Gustong-gusto ko talaga mag-outdoor run kaso hindi na talaga kinakaya ng oras ko. Mabuti na lang talaga at naisipan kong bumili ng treadmill last year. And nung binili ko tong table ko, napansin ko na mataas siya. Kaya trinay ko nga yung ganitong setup and nag-work naman siya sa akin. Siguro maliit lang ako kaya okay na okay sa akin yung ganitong setup. Pero kung matangkad kayo, much better siguro kung elevated yung inyong laptop para hindi sumakit yung likod nyo. Medyo mahirap lang talaga i-assemble itong table pero worth it na siya for its price. Nasa 3,000 plus lang siya. After ko mag-walking, tinatabi ko lang to